What if I told you that you could have a personal financial advisor in your pocket, one that never sleeps, never judges your 3 a.m. impulse purchases, and costs way less than a traditional advisor? Well, welcome to 2025, where AI budgeting apps are literally changing the game. Hey everyone, welcome to FinTech Fire Channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 best AI-powered budgeting apps that can transform your financial life this year. Whether you're drowning in subscriptions, trying to save for that dream vacation, or just want to know where your money actually goes each month, I've got you covered. And stick around until the end because I'll share which app is best for your specific situation. Let's get into it. Why AI budgeting? Before we jump into the apps, let's talk about why AI budgeting is such a big deal in 2025. Traditional budgeting? Honestly, it's tedious. Manually categorizing transactions, creating spreadsheets, trying to remember what that $47 charge from last Tuesday was for. Yeah, that one. But AI learns your spending patterns. It predicts your bills. It catches subscriptions you forgot about. It even negotiates lower rates for you. We're talking about smart algorithms that work 24/7 to keep your finances on track. So yeah, it's basically like having a financial coach, accountant, and that responsible friend who stops you from bad decisions all rolled into one app. All right, let's break down these 5 incredible tools. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss future money-saving content. App number 1, Rocket Money. First up, we have Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, and this app is an absolute powerhouse. What makes it special? Rocket Money's AI is like a bloodhound for wasted money. It automatically identifies your subscriptions, even the ones you totally forgot about. We're talking about that free trial from 2022 that's been charging you $9.99 a month? Yeah, that one. But here's where it gets really cool. Rocket Money will actually negotiate your bills for you. Internet, phone, cable, their AI analyzes your usage and market rates, then works to get you better deals. And they only take a fee if they save you money. Key features: AI-powered subscription tracking and cancellation, bill negotiation with average savings of $300 per year, smart budgeting with spending insights, credit score monitoring, custom spending categories. The pros: the interface is super clean, the AI catches things you'd never notice, and the bill negotiation feature is honestly like free money. The cons: premium features require a subscription, though the free version is still pretty robust, and the bill negotiation success rate varies by provider. Best for anyone who has multiple subscriptions and bills. If you've ever thought, where did all my money go? This is your answer. Pricing: free basic version, premium ranges from $6 to $12 per month depending on features chosen. App number 2, Monarch Money. Coming in at number 2 is Monarch Money. This is the app for people who want serious financial control with a beautiful interface. What makes it apart? Monarch uses AI to give you a complete financial picture. We're talking bank accounts, credit cards, investments, loans, even your real estate, all in one dashboard. The AI creates custom insights based on your financial behavior, not some generic advice. Key features: collaborative budgeting, perfect for couples and families, AI-powered spending insights and trends, custom budget categories with smart alerts, investment tracking and net worth calculations, cash flow forecasting. The AI predicts your future financial position. The pros: the collaborative features are incredible if you're managing money with a partner. The AI forecasting helps you see 3 to 6 months ahead. And plus, it's built by former Google and Microsoft engineers, so the tech is solid. The cons? It's premium only, no free tier. And at $99 per year or $14.99 per month, it's one of the pricier options. Best for couples, families, or serious budgeters who want advanced features and don't mind paying for quality. Also great if you have investments you want to track alongside your budget. Pricing: $14.99 per month or $99 per month, which works out to $8.33 per month. App number 3, Cleo. Okay, number 3 is where things get fun. Meet Cleo, your sassy AI financial assistant who's not afraid to roast your spending habits. What makes it unique? Cleo uses a chatbot interface, so you're literally texting with an AI assistant about your money. Want to know if you can afford those concert tickets? Just ask Cleo. She'll check your spending, upcoming bills, and give you a straight answer, sometimes with a side of brutal honesty. Key features: conversational AI chatbot interface, roast mode, where Cleo hilariously calls out your bad spending, automatic savings based on your spending patterns, cash advances up to $250 with no interest, just optional tips, spending categories and budget tracking, financial wellness score. The pros: it's genuinely entertaining. Budgeting has never been this fun. Great for younger users or anyone who finds traditional budgeting boring. The AI is surprisingly smart about your patterns. The cons: the chatbot interface isn't for everyone. Some people want dashboards and charts, and advanced features require the paid tier. Best for Millennials and Gen Z who want budgeting to feel less like homework and more like chatting with a friend. Perfect if you need accountability with personality. Pricing: free basic version. Cleo Plus is $5.99 per month. Real talk, I tried roast mode and Cleo called out my coffee spending so hard, I actually laughed and cried at the same time. 10 out of 10 experience.
App number 4, PocketGuard. Number 4 is PocketGuard. And if you want simplicity with powerful AI, this is it. The core concept: PocketGuard's AI answers one simple question: how much can I spend? It calculates your income, bills, goals, and shows you what's left, your in my pocket amount. No complicated categories or overwhelming data. Key features: In My Pocket feature shows spendable cash after bills and savings. AI automatically categorizes transactions. Lower bill finder similar to Rocket Money. Debt payoff planning. Spending limits and alerts. Custom categories. The pros: super simple and intuitive. You can understand your finances in literally 10 seconds. The AI is great at catching irregular bills and planning for them. Also, one of the most affordable premium options. The cons: maybe too simple for people who want detailed analytics. The free version has limited features. Best for people who get overwhelmed by complex budgeting systems. If you just want to know, can I afford this or not? PocketGuard is your answer. Pricing: free basic version. PocketGuard Plus is $12.99 per month, $74.99 per year, or $79.99 one-time payment for lifetime access. App number 5, YNAB, You Need a Budget. Last but definitely not least, YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. This is the app that has almost cult-like followers, and for good reason. What's the philosophy? YNAB uses AI enhanced with a specific methodology: give every dollar a job. Instead of tracking where money went, you decide where it's going. The AI helps you stick to this plan with smart insights and adjustments. Key features: AI-powered goal tracking and recommendations, real-time syncing across devices, age of money metric, which shows how long money sits before you spend it, detailed reports and trends, robust educational resources and community, flexible budget adjustments. The pros: this app changes behavior. Users report saving $600 in the first 2 months on average. The methodology is proven. The AI helps you plan for irregular expenses like car maintenance or annual subscriptions by breaking them into monthly goals. The cons: steeper learning curve than others on this list. It requires more active participation. You can't just set it and forget it. And it's expensive. Best for people who want to completely transform their relationship with money. If you're serious about getting out of debt or building wealth, YNAB is worth the investment. Pricing: $14.99 per month or $99.99 per year. This includes a 34-day free trial. Fun fact: YNAB is the only app on this list that offers live workshops and has a massive community. So you're not just getting an app, you're joining a movement. Comparison and recommendations. All right, so we've covered 5 amazing AI budgeting apps, but which one should you choose? Choose Rocket Money if you have lots of subscriptions and bills to manage, and you want someone or some AI to negotiate better rates for you. Choose Monarch Money if you are managing money with a partner or family, have investments to track, and want premium features with beautiful design. Choose Cleo if you are younger, want budgeting to be fun, and respond well to accountability with personality, plus that cash advance feature is clutch in emergencies. Choose PocketGuard if you want dead simple budgeting that just tells you what you can spend right now. Perfect for beginners or the overwhelmed. Choose YNAB if you are ready to completely change your financial life and don't mind putting in the work. This is for the serious budgeters. My personal recommendation: start with the free versions of Rocket Money or Cleo to get your feet wet. Once you understand your spending patterns, if you want to go deeper, upgrade to Monarch or YNAB depending on your needs. And honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. The best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use. And there you have it, the 5 best AI budgeting apps for 2025. Remember, AI is amazing, but it's just a tool. The real magic happens when you combine these smart apps with smart decisions. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial life transform. Now, I want to hear from you. Which app are you excited to try? Are you already using one of these? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our money-saving content. I've got tons more videos on personal finance, side hustles, and building wealth, so check those out next. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, your future self will thank you for starting today. Let's get that money right in 2025. Peace.